tech tip will show you how to easily add or update an email signature in Outlook. Email signatures are a great way to look professional and make your business's brand recognizable. First, click on File in the top left, then select Options at the bottom. From there, navigate to Mail. After selecting Mail, you will see the option to create or modify signatures towards the top. Once you're here, you have options to create a new signature or edit ones that you have already created. This page also allows you to customize which signature is shown by default in new messages and in replies. Make sure to check out this feature to personalize your emails. If you found this useful, head to our channel for more tips like this, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.